Hello, everybody. Today, with me, you will learn to make sentences. But this is an old thing for you, right? As we all know how to make sentences. Yes, I agree that we all know how to make it. But today, we will learn it following some basic rules. And trust me, these rules will help you to build correct sentences. Okay, so let's start. A sentence will start with capital and only capital letter. So please keep it in your mind. A sentence will start with capital and it will end with a full stop. So a sentence will start with capital and it will end with a full stop. Without these two signs, a sentence will be incomplete. Okay, so we will start a sentence with a capital letter and we will end with full stop. For example, we have a word. Suppose we have sky, for example. Now, make a sentence with it. Mine sentence is the sky is blue. Now, here, notice one thing, kids. I have started the sentence with a small letter T. So tell me, am I right here? What do you think? No, I should start it with a capital T because here my sentence is starting. And as I told before, a sentence will start with capital. Okay, now move on to my second mistake. At the end of the sentence, I have put a question mark. So, what do you think? Is it correct? Certainly not, because there should be a full stop as it is a sentence. And what we have learned earlier, we have learned that a sentence will start with capital and it will end with a full stop. So, my correct sentence could be the T capital sky is blue and it is ending with a full stop. Here my sentence is correct. Okay, so let's move on to our next example. Suppose doll. This is a word. Now we have to make a sentence with it. If I write my doll, this much, is this a sentence? What do you think, kids? In these two words, my doll, my emotions and expressions is not clear. আমি কি বলতে চাইছি সেটাই ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে না রাইট মাই ডল হোয়াট ডাজ ইট মিন মাই ডল আমার পুতুল what happened to it which color is this so there is not enough information to make a sentence so this is an incomplete sentence. If I write, my doll is pretty. Now this is correct. This is my doll. It can be correct. That is my doll. It also can be correct. There is nothing missing here. This is a proper sentence, we can call it. This time, my emotion, my expressions is clear. What I want to say, that is clear. Amar putulti holo sundor. This is a complete way. অথবা or else what we can say এটা আমার পুতুল বা ওইটা আমার পুতুল every time whatever I am saying but my sense is clear so we can say this is a proper sentence okay now everybody can understand it what I want to say okay and I hope you have also understood it okay so now let's recapitulate our today's lesson. Number 1, a sentence will always start with a capital letter. Number 2, a sentence will always end with a full stop. And number 3, always making a sentence, we need to check that the sentence will express the feeling completely. It shouldn't be an incomplete sentence. Now, I hope you have understood it and now you can make proper sentences. At least you can try that one. Right, my dear kids? We need to know one thing surely, that is, what is a sentence? A sentence is a word or group of words that express a complete thought of a person. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is a word or group of words that express a complete thought. This thing we have to know first regarding sentence. So, I hope you will keep it in mind and practice it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you have learned something from it. In our next video, we will practice the sentences, right? How to make sentences with the words. Okay, in our next video, we will practice it. Till then, you can practice by your own and you can enjoy the learning and you can enjoy